For 7.5 years, everything in your life can slow down. Work doesn't move, money gets stuck, relationships feel strained or distant. Support fades when you need it the most. The mind feels heavy for no clear reason. This phase is called Sade Satti. And when someone enters this phase, one question comes up again and again. What will pull you out of this misery? The universe operates on a single relentless law. Every action, every thought demands a price. No king escapes it. Even the Devtas are not beyond it. So what happens to someone who has surrendered completely to God? The Ananda Ramayana speaks of such a night. Deep beneath the golden spires of Lanka, Ravana, the 10-headed demon king, commits the unthinkable. He captures the Navagrahas. The 9 forces that govern time, fate, and karma now lie chained, broken, and humiliated. Even Shani Dev, the feared cosmic accountant of karma, is reduced to a prisoner weighed down in chains. Think about that for a second. If the forces that govern karma are locked away, what happens to the world? That night, Lanka felt still, and that's when Hanuman entered. The son of Vayu, the Ansh of Mahadev, Shri Hanuman. He is there on a sacred mission to deliver Shri Ram's message to Ma Sita. But then he hears them, the faint cries of the imprisoned Grahas. He stops. In that moment, he chooses to act, moved by a compassion that flows naturally without limits. With his powerful arms, he shatters their chains. In that instant, destiny moves again, and the balance of karma is restored. Without waiting for gratitude or recognition, Shri Hanuman turns to leave. Wait, a voice with cosmic authority calls out. Shani Dev emerges from the darkness. Vayuputra, you have freed me, yet I remain bound by the law that sees no exceptions. My dharma bends for none, not even for my savior. The time of your Sade Satti has arrived. 7.5 years of trial, pressure, loss, and untold difficulties await Shri Hanuman. This is the moment where most people would resist, try to avoid it, fight it. In Hanuman, there is no fear, no resistance, no sense of victimhood. Because one who has surrendered everything to the divine has nothing left of his own to defend. I am without possessions, desires, or identity of my own. My life rests at the feet of my Shri Ram. So come Shani Dev, fulfill your dharma. Shani Dev ascends to Shri Hanuman's head and prepares to descend with the full weight of karma. Hanuman does not pause his life. He does not wait for the phase to pass. He keeps moving, serving, acting, staying focused on his path. He lifts mountains, crosses oceans, fights battles. With every movement, Shri Hanuman continues his work without a pause. Shani Dev feels the impact each time. He looks for something to act upon: pride, ego, self-interest. He finds none. The pressure becomes unbearable. Finally, Shani Dev breaks. Release me, Marutmaja. I cannot endure this any longer. Shri Hanuman stops. Without triumph or pride, he lets him go. Humble to his core, Shani Dev offers a boon. Shri Hanuman, true to his selfless nature, asks for a beautiful blessing. For those who seek refuge in me, let their trials soften under my grace. Let your gaze pass over them gently. That is why, even today, devotees pray to Lord Hanuman, especially on Saturdays. They pray with love and steady trust. When life begins to close in on you, when your mind grows heavy and the weight of your past presses you down, remember this: you are not powerless. You are never alone. Shri Hanuman's grace is stronger than your strongest troubles. Turn to him with devotion, and what once felt unbearable will begin to ease. Begin your Hanuman Sadhana today. Download the Sadhana app and undertake the powerful 22-day guided Hanuman Sadhana. Jai Shri Ram.